Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active account and a verified email so changes save correctly. Once signed in, gather the URLs, short titles, and tags you'll use. Preparation speeds the flow. Then open the Link Hub dashboard and click the plus New Link button to begin. You're doing this first step to avoid repeated edits later, so move deliberately and name each link clearly. This matters for search and sharing. Now you organize and configure each entry. Add links into a collection or folder so related items appear together. This helps viewers and keeps your hub tidy. Make sure to set visibility: public for broad sharing, unlisted for limited access, private for drafts, and explain why to yourself as you choose. Then fill metadata: concise descriptions, tags for search, and a thumbnail to boost clicks. Once done, preview the link to confirm layout and metadata display correctly. Finish by sharing and monitoring performance. Copy the short link or embed code and distribute it where your audience is. Make sure to check analytics daily for clicks, referrers, and CTR so you learn what works. Adjust titles or thumbnails to improve results. If a link breaks or points to the wrong resource, edit the URL immediately and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if a change fails, restore the previous version from history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.